about one of the most anticipated phone of the year, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung just announced this beauty on the January 22, 2025, and trust me, this phone is picking some serious power. So if you are looking to upgrade or just curious about what makes this device stand out, keep watching as we break it all down for you. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is all about luxury. The front and back of the device are made from the Corning Gorilla Armor 2 glass, which not only offer durability but also give it is a glossy premium feel. But what really set this phone apart is a titanium frame. Is grade 5 titanium, meaning it is super strong but still light enough to be comfortable to hold. It's definitely a phone that feel like is belong in the high-end flagship category. The display on the S25 Ultra is absolutely stunning. It comes with the 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X panel. If you don't know what that means, here is a breakdown. It is a 120 has a refresh rate screen, which make everything from scrolling through Instagram to gaming feel battery smooth. And it does not stop here. The display support HDR10 Plus and can peak at the blazing 2600 nits of brightness. So outdoor visibility is top notch. And with the resolution of 1440 into 3120 pixel, it's extremely sharp with the pixel density of around 498 ppi. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is surprisingly manageable. It's got a slim profile at just 8.2 mm thick, and while it weighs 218 grams, it's balanced well enough that it does not feel too heavy in your hand. And hi, that's a small price to pay for such a premium build. Plus, it's got IP68 dust and water resistance, meaning you can dip in it into water up to 1.5 meter deep for about 13 minutes. Just in case you get caught in the rain or drop in the puddle. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset built on a 3nm architecture. This chip has a brand new Orion V2 Phoenix cores, two super fast cores clocked at 4.47 GHz and 6 performance cores at 3.5 GHz. What does that mean for you? Simply put, this phone can handle anything you know at it, whether you are gaming, editing a video, or running multiple apps. The performance is going to be fast, smooth, and lag free. And when we talk about performance, we can't ignore the insane amount of storage and RAM you get with the S25 Ultra. You can choose from the range of the configuration: 256 GB of storage with the 12 GB of RAM, 512 GB with the 12 GB of RAM, and even 1 TB of storage with the up to 16 GB of RAM. And all of this it power of the UFS 4.0, which means data read and write speed are blazing fast, perfect for heavy multitasking and gamer. Alright, let's talk about the camera. And trust me, these cameras are next level. The S25 Ultra boasts a quad camera setup which is include 200 megapixel wide camera as its main sensor. Yep, you heard that right, 200 megapixel. This camera takes ultra detailed phone with the functional clarity. Along with the main sensor, you get a 10 megapixel telephoto camera and with the 3x optical zoom, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with the massive 5x optical zoom, and a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera that capture a 120-degree field of view. And it doesn't just stop still. The S25 Ultra can shoot in 8K at 24 or 30 fps, which is insane. You can shoot dynamic quality video strength from your phone. Plus, you have got 4K video at 30, 60 or even 120 fps for smooth and crisp video footage. It even has a super steady video which help eliminates shaky footage for those of you who cannot keep our hand still. Selfie fan, don't worry, Samsung got you covered. The front facing camera comes with the 12 megapixel and can shoot 4K and at 30 and 60 fps. So whether you are streaming or just snapping a quick selfie, you are going to look great. Let's get into battery life. The S25 Ultra comes with the huge 5000 mAh battery, which should easily get you through a full day of use. And when it's time to recharge, it supports 45W wide charging, which means you will get 65% of your battery back in just 30 minutes. That's pretty fast. For those of you who like wireless charging, it supports 25W wireless charging with the QI2 plus 4.5W reverse wireless charging. So you can juice up your AirBud or another phone if needed. And for those of you who care about style, the S25 Ultra comes with a stunning color option: titanium silver black, titanium black, titanium white silver, titanium judge green, titanium jet black, and titanium pink gold. Those are something for everyone, and they all look fantastic. The S25 Ultra is an absolute powerhouse. It has a stunning design, a display that is literally perfect for media consumption, powerhouse performance, an incredible camera system with the 8K video, and all-day battery life with fast charging. If you are looking for a phone that can do it all, the S25 Ultra is definitely one of the consider. So what do you think? The Galaxy S25 Ultra is the next phone, or you hold out the something else? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoy this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more content for all things. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.